Welcome back to the Mastering Tech Insights. Today I have got fantastic news for all Indians. ChatGPT absolutely free now for everyone in India. Yes, you heard that's right. In this video I will walk you through step by step how to use ChatGPT for free in your phone or laptop without any subscriptions. Let's get started. First of all, what is ChatGPT? Lot of people maybe don't know. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly understand what is ChatGPT. Actually, ChatGPT is you can see here, ChatGPT is a chatbot created by OpenAI, capable of writing emails, generate codes, solving problems, and even create content just like real assistant. Earlier, some advanced features were only available to paid users, but now OpenAI has made ChatGPT free. Alright, let's go step by steps. You may Chrome, you can use Safari, Edge, and go anywhere. Just write down chat.openai.com. Once you write down, you will come. You can see like screen like this. You are not sign in. First, let's sign. Otherwise, I already signed it. You can see I already my account is here. It is free. You can see here. So there is 2 or 3 options. You can click upgrade here. You may click upgrade from here. You may go to the settings. Once click on settings, you can see there is a Go features. Okay, it was before 3,999 per month. Okay, so who are not using before, it was like ChatGPT Access 5. You can now access that. What are the difference between, you can see here, extended message and uploaded, and expanded and faster image creating, long memory and context, and limited deep research, and project stacks and custom GPT. You can do that. You can see here, okay, promo terms, promo price will apply for 12 months starting 5th November 2026. You can see here. You can see after that it will be applied. You can cancel anytime, so no problem. So that is free for all Indians. Click on upgrade. So you can use like you can sign in with using Google account, Apple ID, or any email ID. You can use when you sign up. Similar way, you can go to the Apple Store or Play Store where you can download your ChatGPT, and once you download, then you can right side your phone. There is a free feature. So you can see here now or today you pay only just 0. Okay, I am using my card. Let's you can see processing. It is process going on. Done. It's done. So I am using Pro now. You may do. Okay, so ChatGPT free for India. So you can see upgradation also removes right now. Okay, want some more upgrade to Plus, like if you need to advance capable, like upload file, image, create like a ChatGPT 4 speed, you can choose ChatGPT Plus plan, which options and paid. But most of people like student, content creators, and professionals, the free version is more than enough to get started. So that's you can use ChatGPT free in India, step by steps. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, likes and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech updates every week. Drop your questions in comments. I will reply using ChatGPT itself. Thanks for watching and see you the next video.